Hi guys, so today we are here at Aulani, which is a Disney resort here on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. Aulani is located in the Ko Olina section of Oahu with a nice little cove beach here. And I wanted to show you around our room. The room category that we have is a standard room, and we were able to get a king bed, which is what we requested in advance. So not all the rooms have king beds, probably most of them have 2 queens. So I just wanted to show you around in case you were looking for a king bed for maybe 2 adults or 2 adults and 1 child. And you can check it out with us. So here when we walk in, we do have a connecting door with the room next door. I'm guessing that is 2 queen beds, so that if a family were to stay here, you'd be able to request that. I don't believe that that is a guaranteed option. It's just a request. Here we have the bathroom, which is actually pretty large. You have the door here, which this door leads to the shower area, rain shower head, and then a separate one with a tub, which is great if you have kids. And then sink area with plenty of storage. And then everyone's favorite Disney toiletries. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, soaps, and then a separate door for the toilet area. Now the rooms here, when you walk in, you have a closet, automatic light. In here you have your ironing board, extra pillow, blankets, towels, hangers, flashlight, and a safe. And I've seen these flashlights in quite a few resorts in Hawaii. I guess they are expecting the lights to go out, but hasn't happened to me yet. Full-length mirror. Over here we have coffee station, which is Keurig, and they do have Joffrey's coffee, which is the Disney coffee. And down here, if we can see, is ice bucket and cups. TV area. And again, as I said, this is a king bed room, and this sofa does pull out. So maybe if you have 1 child or even 2 tiny children and you want to be able to have a king as 2 adults, you can request it. Or maybe if you're coming on your honeymoon, you're a big Disney fan, or an anniversary, then you can get that. Mini fridge here, no freezer area. And as I said, this is a pull-out sofa. You do have over here your phone, alarm clock, USB charging areas. And then a table here with 2 chairs. And then, of course, you have your Mickey little Disney touches since you are at a Disney resort. And let me show you also outside. So here on the door, you do have a screen. So if you want to sleep with the door open and just have the nice Hawaiian breeze, you can. They do have a lock up here on the top, if you can see that. So if you have kids, you're able to do that, and then a second lock down here. The lock is probably about 5 feet off the ground. And then here we have a nice little balcony, 2 chairs and a table. This is supposed to be a standard view room. That's what we booked, but to me this looks probably like an island garden view. Maybe because we requested the king. So standard view is supposed to be parking area. Maybe, I guess this is parking in the distance, but I'm really happy with this view for just booking a standard. We have the mountains in the background. Nice island garden view down here. That's it for right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you did, or if you'd like to see more room tours, hotel tours, please hit the like button below or subscribe. Hope this gives you a little bit of information for your upcoming trip to Aulani, or if you're planning right now. And if you're looking for a king bed, maybe this gives you an idea of the layout. It is a little bit more spacious to me than having the 2 queens. But again, we're only 2 adults, so it's a little different than if you have a family of 4. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.